the Viva.
So 7715.
15. Go ahead. Just unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So the assignment book, we could not able to see because we were having very less time. Let entire class should see your book and why you are getting good marks. They should be aware, or why you are getting less mark. That also they should be aware.
So, yes.
What all topic is there in your assignment book?
Working capital.
Only one.
Yes, sir. Ratio analysis.
Ratio
Trend
analysis.
analysis.
Then close the book. Tell me any 5 combined ratio. Format of working capital.
Cost of sale. Cash to cash bank account.
Roll number 13 has assisted you being the leader. From where you got the material? Who has given you the material to copy down in your notebook? आपने ये सारी चीजें असाइनमेंट कहाँ से लिखी? किसने दिया था?
नहीं, किसने नहीं दिया, मेरे पास ही है, लेक्चर अटेंड करती हूँ।
रोल नंबर 13 ने क्यों नहीं दिया? वो लीडर है आपके ग्रुप की।
आई डोंट नो सर, क्योंकि मेरा मोबाइल अभी बीच में टूट गया तो मैं ज्यादा मतलब लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं कर पाई। तो प्रज्ञा से मैं पूछी थी, मतलब
रोल नंबर 16 17 roll number 17 7717 roll number 18
Yes, sir.
7718
Yes, sir.
chalo show us your assignment 18 कौन सा चैप्टर है ये? रोल नंबर 18
सर ये वर्किंग कैपिटल है और बाद में कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट।
क्लोज द बुक। कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी में क्या क्या आइटम आता है? $19 7719 20 not required.
Sir, I want to show working capital.
Not required. You want to give Viva?
Yes, sir.
Abbas.
So working capital दिखाओ. Okay, sir.
Then
Sir, this is working
cash
capital
flow.
form. No, sir, working capital.
Okay.
This is some 6, 8, 14, and extra sum number 7, 11, 12,
Hmm.
15, 20, and this is cash flow. And this is the index. That's all.
What is the difference between cash flow and working capital? Cash flow statement and working capital statement.
So in working capital, we only include current asset and current liability, and in
Absolutely.
cash flow, it includes debentures, loan, and all that thing.
And there we have subdividing the cash flow into three categories: operating,
Yes, sir.
investment, and financial. That is entire picture, whereas it is only current assets and current liability. Very good answer. 21.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 21. 22. 23. 24. 7724.
So 7722, I'm ready to show the book.
22. Wait. Go ahead. Okay, Satyam, close the book. What all we can consider as shareholders' fund? Twenty-three. 24.
Yes, sir.
24, go ahead with your assignment.
Sir, actually I am in village, so I don't have my MA notebook with me.
Okay, get me the same answer which I have asked from roll number 22. What all will come in shareholders' fund? For that, book is not required.
Your voice is breaking. Sir, voice is breaking.
That is very perfect. 25.
Yes, sir.
25. Go ahead. 7725.
Yes, sir.
What topic you have?
Ratio analysis and working capital.
Okay. Close. Any three combined ratio?
Debtors turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio, debtors velocity ratio.
We don't know whether you are seeing and giving the answer because you are not face to face during Viva. हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप नोटबुक देख के बोल रहे हो या नोटबुक देख के नहीं बोल रहे हो? Whenever you are facing Viva, it should be like this only, no? Debtors turnover ratio का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? What's the formula
Sorry,
for
sir?
formula for debtors turnover ratio?
Credit sales upon bills receivable plus debtors.
Huh? Just
Debit
check.
sales upon bills receivable plus debit sales upon bills receivable plus
डेबिट
debtors.
सेल होगा ही नहीं ना बेटा, सेल्स ऑलवेज क्रेडिट ही होगा ना. चलो ठीक है, गुड अटेम्प्ट.
Thank you, sir.
26. Seven, 726.
Yes, sir.
सारे चैप्टर्स, वेरी गुड. Go ahead. Have you got the assistant from roll number 29? Who's your leader? Roll number 26.
Yes, sir.
29 से मदद मिली आपको?
हाँ, sir.
Good. 26. अभी जस्ट मैंने बच्चों से क्वेश्चन पूछा था रिगार्डिंग शेयर होल्डर्स फंड. क्लोज कर दीजिए नोटबुक. आपका नोटबुक कंप्लीट है, सारी चीजें लिखी है. शेयर होल्डर्स फंड में क्या क्या आएगा? व्हाट ऑल विल कम इन शेयर होल्डर्स फंड? नोटबुक कंप्लीट करने से मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा फॉर श्योर. 7727, 7728.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. बकवास असाइनमेंट बुक है, 4 पेज स्टेपल करके रखा है तूने.
अरे sir, छापे जी नहीं है।
क्लोज. Worst assignment in entire class. When we go for comparative analysis, what all need to be taken care? 28. $29.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. You have shown me assignment also.
This is a working capital.
Okay. Close your notebook. In working capital, how to compute stock of WIP?
Stock of WIP is raw materials, then debtors, labor, and then overheads.
How much to be taken as material and how much to be taken as labor and overhead?
Material is 100%, labor and overheads 50%.
Why? Why? Because from WIP to finished goods, we required only labor and overhead, not the material.
Okay.
Next, 30, 7730.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Which all chapter you have?
Sir, till 10 chapters I have.
All. Okay, go fast. Okay, Nandini, I have taken that into consideration regarding Parth Chaturvedi. Close the book. And what do you have in your assignment cash flow statement also? Not knowing.
Don't know, but it must be there.
Close. Investment activity consists what items?
What?
In cash flow statement AS3, investment activity consists what all items?
Investment items,
Investment activities.
activities. Wait.
Have you got? Okay. Roll number 31. Seven, 731. 32.
Yes, sir.
31 has assisted you being the leader of your group.
Not really.
Very good. Thirty-two.
Sir, she's 31. So she's 31. The one who is showing book is 31.
Sorry.
The one who is showing the book is 31.
Just now I have asked, 31 has assisted something to you, you stated no. Being the roll number 30.
Sir, now 31 is showing the book. Like
So 31, go ahead first, then 32 will come. Reha. Okay. Close. Reha, what all we will consider as quick current liability? Thirty-two, go ahead. All of you need to learn a lot, huh? Even though it is very simple subject, आपको पढ़ना बहुत पड़ेगा. 32. How many chapters you have included?
I've included till
Neha.
cash flow. Cash flow.
Till cash flow.
And I've made the table for working capital.
Only working capital and cash flow you are going to pass.
No, like I made all the like notes you're talking about. I made all the notes like
From the beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning. See.
Close the book. What is the difference between comparative analysis and trend analysis?
Comparative is for like trend gives us the like numbers for like both are for yearly like 1 second. Both are for 2 year or 3 year basis. Both are for this, but the difference in trend is they shows the ups and downs in the number, and in comparative they show the number like they show the number and percentage.
Please verify. What you stated and what is there, you please verify whether you are right or wrong. You are wrong. 33. 34.
Sir, I'm there, 33.
Go ahead. Disha.
Done, sir.
Okay. So I believe you have entire syllabus in your assignment book.
Yes, sir.
Now can we have face-to-face interaction? Close the book now. I have seen it is it is ratio analysis. So now let me ask question on ratio only. You have to put your video mode on, beta. Otherwise, I can't ask you question.
Yes, sir.
In ratio, what is the formula for EPS?
EPS administration expenses.
I am telling
Finance.
you, EPS means earning per share. Okay.
Earning.
Roll number 34. Not good at all. 35. Roll number 35.
Yes, sir.
Close the book, Anas. Again, you have shown me the ratio only. Okay.
Yes,
Can you tell me what is the formula for price earning ratio? See, dear student, I am asking only those things which you have written in the book. Still, you are unable to answer. Then just think how we can give you the marks. 36, roll number 36, 7736. Shubham,
yes, sir.
quickly. Close the book. Close the book. Non-quick current assets. Face to face. Non-quick current assets.
Sorry, sir.
Non-quick current assets. See, I am
Non-quick
asking the question from your notebook only. I don't know whether you people are able to make it or not. When you are turning the page, I get the question from there and I'm asking from that only. But still you people are unable to get me the answer. Why? The basic reason is you just merely copied the things. You have not understood the concepts. That is the basic problem.
Raw material, stock.
अभी जो पेज आपने दिखाया उसी पेज में आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, रोल नंबर 37.
Yes, sir. These are the objectives.
Honestly speaking, lot of practice is required for this class to get good marks. Close the book now. Can you tell me the format of working capital? Format of working capital.
Format of working capital. Sir, current assets.
$38 and $39 has given the Viva.
The current asset minus, no, I don't know.
40. Roll number 40.
Yes, sir. Objectives, sir. Cash flow statement.
Close the book. In cash flow statement, investing activity consists what? Face-to-face interaction now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we are able to hear you. Kindly keep your camera mode on. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello.
We are able to hear you, Yash. Camera on करो और हमसे बात करो. Yes.
Yes, sir.
मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में क्या क्या आएगा? $41, 7741. $42. $7742.
Yes, sir, I'm showing.
Now, yeah. Close the book. Tell me something face to face.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about trend analysis.
So trade analysis is basically analysis of financial data.
Achha. All analysis are basically for the financial data only. Non-financial data, can we do any analysis? Tell me. We need to have the data for analysis. $43, 7743.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
The ratio analysis.
Close. Yield ratio.
Yes, sir.
Yield ratio. YIELD. Yield ratio.
Yield ratio.
Yeah.
Sir, basically it comes in dividend, equity yield, and interest, dividend and equity yield.
I need the formula.
So in dividend per share upon market price, and in earning yield ratio, earning per share upon market price into 100.
Why we calculate this yield ratio?
So I'm not aware of it.
To get the return. Yielding means what?
Yes. We get the yield from any field.
Yield. That is a basic.
Yes, sir.
Grammatically meaning. 44.
Yes, sir.
7744.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Very nice. Next.
Done, sir.
Close. How we give the effect of increase and decrease in working capital when it comes to cash flow statement?
No idea, sir.
So what you know about working capital? Tell us. See, I told you whenever you are showing your assignment, there only I am getting the question from those things which you have written. So merely just writing is not going to serve our purpose. So again, we have less than a minute. I think this will be the last time